Not only do humans suffer from sunstroke, but animals also. This turtle even faints a bit and needs CPR to wake it back up again.
Lemurs are social animals who make new friends faster than Wi-Fi.
He's got nothing in his head. Oh my god!
My friends are here. Can I go play? I picked up all my toys, and my room is clean. Okay, have fun. Be home before the street lights come on. Hey, wait.
Taz, we're weaning. You can't.
Sometimes words can't express enough love, but actions can.
At this point, the dogs are no longer the main characters in this yard.
But how exciting is it to smell it?
There is no bond quite as powerful as a mother's love, and these heart-wrenching reunions prove that it transcends species. When the feathered guy volumes up, it's time for a cuddle.
It's just a baby.
Don't judge. The mightiest sometimes also seek comfort in human-shaped pillows.
These two playful badgers fell into the water, and from that height, they could not possibly get out without his help.
Here she comes.
Even though the path to saving the sheep was difficult, the rescuer persisted in his purpose. The sheep's safety is his reward. The fact is, he didn't run until he saw the other ones running. The reunion
Although I don't understand, but if you like it, I have.
Yo te detesto. Te detesto, odio, odio, odio. ¿Y más odio? Detesto tanto.
Ready, bring it in. Yeah. Grab another pair of gloves, please.
Yeah, you're gonna grab him?
pick things up off the ground. Every sniff, every touch, and that desperate hug tells a story of a bond that even surgery couldn't break. Did Anna with her pet fish. Let's hope for positive things. They will come true.
Thank you. Oh, thanks so much.
Small acts of love can positively change someone's life.
Waiting. Look at that. Everyone's waiting.
That way, but and then that way. Okay, how about that way?
Eddie! Hey, buddy! Come here! His tail!
The feeling of seeing
When someone says, "A square meal is served,"
a happy cut was captured when all of their efforts saved an endangered octopus's life. From a scary fall to a beautiful reunion, Mom's hugs are the best.
Oh, hi. Hi. Yeah. Good job.
Odsuń się, bo on tu będzie chciał wyskoczyć.
My friend, I think is this my place? The preacher I'm thinking.
The man wants to get off all of the net, but the deer seems to like that decoration a lot, just like humans with rings.
No weather could stop them from saving these dogs. Such selflessness deserves much more recognition.
She makes me feel better. Chili pepper, I had a rough morning. Another one. Oh.
What are you taking, Mama? Don't you take Mama? Here's that theory. Come here. Here's that theory.
Did you know? Just that it reminds us about evil still existing in the human world, and saving these angels the turtle just discovered.
欢迎光临，里边请，请吧。
It was a happy ending for them all.
It's not going to hurt you. And if you grab hold of it...
Little injuries acceptable, as long as the animal can survive. In this case, this cow had to bear some moments.
Chickens may look silly, but they're experts in the naptime stealth.
Not for eating.
Dawaj, dawaj. Olka, mamy ciebie twoje. Dawaj, raz, dwa. No dawaj, raz.
These people may be ordinary to us, but they are the heroes to that cute dog.
Girl can't be prouder and happier when her soldier dad is home.
Yeah, get him.
If laughter is therapy, these puppies just earned PhDs in mood-lifting science.
Real quick update. Kai is a big humper.
He's trying to think fast on how to get out of this.
And a lot of the dogs did not like it. He is social, but he's more concerned about...
Did Anna with her pet fish? Let's hope for positive things. They will come true.
Thank you. Oh, thanks so much.
Outra vez? Outra vez? Faz outra vez, faz. Faz outra vez.
Once trust is built, a donkey basically turns into an affection machine.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
If this doesn't make you believe in the power of unexpected friendships, I don't know what will.
Walk around and get it.
Who's Tijuana and Stan?
To reassure it that it was safe now.
My friend, I think let's keep my peace. Of which I am thankful.
You like her more than me? You wanna go here?
훔치다. 오, 저가 이씨, 저 패드 짚고 있어. 간다.
Sea Otter finally exhales when she sees her pup. Small body, but she can carry her whole world on her chest.
Not to mention a big cow. But with intelligence, they have finished the mission successfully.
Давай.
After a car crash, Chance was hospitalized while his dog Izzy ran. Leaving their familiar environment, manatees can be in danger because they cannot adapt.
Stop polluting the ocean.
Oh, Daddy loves you.
Ready?
Hey! Stop that! Don't kick my car! What is wrong with you?
Rescue shelter. This sheep is half buried in the snow. No one wants to... This bear doesn't follow the law, but he... Even though they speak different languages, they still... After 3 months apart, he...
Well, yes. Come on. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Oh, yes. Big hug. I got nothing for you. I got nothing for you. Oh, he's my best friend.
Turns out kangaroos could give such sweet and warm hugs.
She's trying to get to him. She's gonna fall over. Yeah, she's picked him up. She's done it. She's done it.
I'm so tired, Sonny.
tired.
I'm so Oh, yeah.
You get it?
Her progress is surely remarkable achievements. No weather could stop them from saving these dogs. Such selflessness deserves much more recognition.
done, guys.
Wait for it.
Almost there.
Fun fact, moose are naturally curious, and today the dog became the science experiment.
Wild or not, a mom's priority is always the same. Find her babies.
Not talking about the confusion, this kitten is so smart to know.
The animals don't understand humans.
There he goes.
You already knew where his escape route was.
All of them, man.
Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8.
Polite Black Bear rings the doorbell before checking out the hot tub. He just wanted to make sure his reservation was confirmed.
No, come back. That's so funny. I won't leave you alone. No, I love you.
There's always a family member giving you the warmest welcome in the world. Being close to nature is good, but don't forget to ensure your next safety, dude. They're all interconnected. Cuddling.
Ничего не понимаешь. Давай.
A giant with the softest heart. That careful stillness is making sure the kid's safe. Wolves are just like dogs. They always turn into kids when they reunite with their favorite human. Just that it reminds us about evil still existing in the human world and saving these angels. They finally meet each other after 2 years apart. And the reunion was even more special when it was also the horse's 12th birthday.
Hey fella, oh look at you. Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, look at you.
Donkey kept silence the whole...
Неужто хотите здесь кого-то снова арестовать? Может быть, мне...
Bats can carry rabies, but they can also control the mosquito population. So it's crucial to save them, even in the toughest situation.
The dog didn't see a wild animal, he saw a potential best friend. German Shepherds have strong family instincts. He's a
Oh. Hey, Drippy. Baby.
Because of the desire to escape and it being so strong, his actions lost control. The moment this boy was waiting for the most.
Get him out of that. There he goes.
With this small body, climbing the high wall on your own is impossible. Some sea creatures crave warmth from the land. Relationship.
me the second I realized someone's standing behind me.
There are people who would do anything for any creature in difficulty. Deep cut into the seal's neck, but also seriously injured his right flipper. Luckily, they managed to...
Every animal deserves love and help. Have a nice day. Sometimes, saving animals doesn't require any special skill. You just need to offer them the tools.
A group of small foxes fell into the ground below the surface, and their little bodies... The rescuers gently removed it to release the animal. Threatening grounds to save a dog.
He knew.
Honestly, you need to clean your butt. Why are you so dusty? Ew, you just see it floating everywhere.
Inspiring teamwork and quick thinking were the two things that saved the dog from the lake. But he can see her great love for him. tongue.
Oh my god, that's adorable. I cannot. Oh my god.
During work, a bear hug can recharge your energy and bring warmth to both. Elephants used to work for a circus. Now, after years of retirement, they still remember and love their old caregivers.
Was today a special day for you guys?
Oh, David loves you.
I'll close this gate. Thank you. Thanks a lot, I appreciate it. There's your babies. Go on now. Get your baby and go.
One fishing net in the sea is one critical situation for an osprey, so it's a relief to know he's safe.
With his trusty partner,
We received multiple calls from concerned citizens about a coyote with a container stuck on its head.
You're so cute, love. You're so cute. You want to be alone.
the divers sometimes become volunteer rescuers for the marine citizens, such as this manta.
Already trying to show off in front of girls at this age is wild.
This dog got lost, but when they see and come to hug each other, the world seems to stop and freeze them pick things up off the ground. At Lake Conroe, Blake didn't hesitate to get into the water to save a deer. Sometimes, helping animals may lead us into trouble, but kindness and bravery...
You're on a diet, remember?
A peach! Chocolate peach!
What?
Shauna and her lifelong horse friend Honey were separated due to financial reasons. Fortunately, thanks to people's support, Shauna could bring Honey back home.
You say hi to everybody? Say hi.
If the dog can't go into the ocean to visit the seal, then the seal brings the party to him.
To see him after so long.
What took you so long? Maybe okay, don't come in now. Here. Okay, how's that?
While customers fuel up their cars, that four-legged comedian fuels up the staff with laughter. First trips can be tough, so having support is priceless. Wolves are just like dogs. They always turn into kids when they reunite with their favorite human.
Okay.
Has finally recovered. This reunion healed both their bodies and souls. Their relationship must have been very... The accident almost separated them forever, but they overcame everything to reunite.
Remember, not everyone he wants to be close to, man.
Crazy Coco. At it again.
Обосрался, блядь. Полетал по деревне, придурок.
During these hard moments, the footage of a woman washing the burned hands of a kangaroo has soothed everyone's hearts. She even gave the poor animal
Although turkeys are known as grumpy species, this cuddle buddy brings an odd vibe of safety.
How fast I move. The second responsibilities start calling.
You gonna cut me off?
This is my rooster running to come see me.
Now let's go home. I know. It's time to go home. We're home.
Dog has always been a good child who brings joy to his father by greeting him every time he comes home from work. This pet was reunited with its mum 24 hours after being stolen. Any burden is relieved when the pet is safe and intact.